This video is about claim. Claim is the very first sentence of your body paragraph. So if you look back here at the whole body paragraph, it is the very first sentence that answers the prompt. Your claim statement is the main argument of your paragraph, and it's also known as your topic sentence. Your claim statements need to do three things. It needs to answer the prompt that's given to you, and it needs to be debatable. In other words, can someone say, "No, I disagree with your claim statement"? And it also cannot be a summary of the plot. So we're going to go through some examples right now of example claim statements based on this prompt. In the novel The Hunger Games, is a rebellion against the Capitol necessary? Why or why not? So here's an example that's too specific. In the novel The Hunger Games, a rebellion against the Capitol is necessary because Katniss has to volunteer in place of her sister for the Hunger Games. This example is too specific because it includes part of the plot which actually belongs in the evidence. This is a specific part in the book that it's talking about. Here's another example that's too broad. In the novel The Hunger Games, a rebellion against the Capitol is necessary because of how people are treated. This example is too broad because it can be written about any rebellion in any book or history. So here, this last example is just right. Here's a just right claim statement responding to this prompt. In the novel The Hunger Games, a rebellion against the Capitol is necessary because districts are being exploited for the Capitol's entertainment and control. So let's go back through to make sure it fits the three criteria in the checklist. Does it answer the prompt? Yes, it answers the prompt. We know this because it uses part of the prompt as part of the answer. So here it says, in the novel The Hunger Games, a rebellion against the Capitol is necessary because, and it actually uses the language from the prompt in the answer. Is it debatable? Can someone say, "No, I disagree with you"? Yes. No, someone could say, "No, I disagree. I think a rebellion is not necessary," and explain why. Last, is it not a summary of the plot? Yes, it's not a summary of the plot because it doesn't talk about a specific part in the book that I can find on a specific page. It actually talks more generally about how the districts are being exploited for the Capitol's entertainment and control in general. So now let's go back through and review how to write a claim statement. First, you use the words in the prompt as a sentence starter. Then you make sure that it does three things. First, it answers the prompt. Then it is debatable. In other words, can someone say, "No, I disagree with you and your claim statement"? And then last, is it not a summary of the plot? Go ahead and pause this video right now so that you can use this checklist in order to revise your own claim statement.